Hello, my social media followers. We have this 2002 GMC Sierra that we have removed the um, evaporator replacement. This is basically how it looks without it. And we go right here to the engine bay. Basically, that's all that have to come out. And then we got here the new evap. This is the old one that came out of it, and this is the new one that is going in. So if you're looking for someone to replace your evaporator system or evaporator core on these GMC Sierras or Chevy Silverados, you can give me a call. My number is 832-618-7291 for appointments on these evaporator replacement. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.